O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. And bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, all of you. Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you,
Today,
ma'am?
okay, good afternoon. Yesterday, we discussed place value chart. We write the digits in a two-digit number in the correct places. Okay, and today we have another way of showing two-digit number. That is abacus. Abacus. Did you heard about abacus? Huh? No problem. I will explain. Okay, what is this abacus? Abacus is a simple device. Okay, abacus is a simple device and it's for calculating. It's for calculating. Device means what? Device in computer class you may be studied devices. No, see, keyboard is a device. No, keyboard. Then printer is a device. Webcam is a device. Computer mouse is another device. Okay, device means
Output device.
yes, AC manual. Very good. So device means it's a thing. Yes, Risa. You also having the abacus. Okay, very good. Now you please listen here. Please listen here. Okay, so abacus means it is a simple device. Okay, and we use for calculating, and it's have beads. It's have beads. I will show you the beads. See, these are the beads. It's a red color beads, yellow color, green, blue color, yellow color, green color. Many beads are there. Okay, you can see beads in my hands. Beads. These are the beads we use for showing a number on an abacus. Okay, so abacus is a simple device and it's used for calculating, and it's have beads, and these beads can move, or these beads can slide. Slide means what? Slide in the park. You may be sliding, no? You may be sliding, no? In the park, when slide. Slide means move smoothly. Slide means move smoothly. So these beads can move smoothly on roads. On roads. Roads means what? R-O-D-S, roads. A road means a thin straight bar. It may be made up of metal or it may be made up of wood. Okay, once again, today we are studying abacus counting. And what is this abacus? Abacus, it's a tool, or it's a simple device for calculating. We can show two-digit numbers on an abacus. And in the abacus, we can see beads. And these beads can slide or move smoothly. Then these beads can move, and these beads can move on the rods. A rod means what? A thin straight bar. Now I will show you the model of an abacus. I made one abacus for you. Abacus for you. It's an abacus. Okay, it's an abacus. Here it is written T and O. What is this T and O? Yes. Tens. Very good. Tens and ones. Tens and ones. Very good. Now listen here. You can see two rods here. No? Two rods. This we will say rods. Okay. This we will say rods. So we are showing a two-digit numbers. So we need two rods showing tens and ones. If we are showing a three-digit numbers, we need three rods. Okay, three-digit number having three places. We are discussing two-digit number. They have only two places, tens and ones. Okay, and these are the rods. On these rods, we have to put what? We have to put beads. Now I'm putting one bead to this one space. Okay, one bead. I put one space. So what is the number I am showing? 1, 1.
One.
Yes or no? 1, 1. Now I put another one. Now 2 ones.
2, 1.
2 ones. Now one more.
2, 1.
3 ones.
3, 1. 3,
3
1.
ones.
4,
Now
4, 1.
4 ones.
5, 1.
5 ones.
6, 1.
6 ones.
7, 1.
6 ones. See? 6 ones.
7, 1.
Then I put one more. 7 ones.
8, 1.
8 ones. Okay, 8 ones. Now I'm putting one more. So what will come here? 9. 9. I can put only 9. I can put only 9. See, if I'm putting one more, it will become 10. No, it will become 10. 10 means it's already 10 spaces there. So if I am putting one more to the number 9, I will get to 110. No, 110. 10 ones together will make 110. Now it becomes 110. So 10 ones is equal to 110. Now I put one bead on 10 space. So the number showing is 110. 110 and 0 ones. What's the number? 10. Okay, 110 and 0 ones. That is number 10. Now I am putting here one more. 2 tens.
10.
2 tens. What's the number? 2 tens. 2 tens and 0 ones. 2 tens and 0 ones. 20. It's 20. Now, see, what's the number? 3 tens. 3 tens. Okay. Now, 4 ones. Now I'm showing beads on one space. Okay. Now I'm showing beads on one space also. Now you please listen here. At the 10 space you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. In one space you can see 1 and 2. So there are
42.
4 tens. Very good, Akshat. That's 4 tens and 2 ones. 4 tens and 2 ones. What's the number? 4 tens and 2 ones. 42. That's 42. So we can show 2-digit number on an
42.
abacus. We can show 2-digit number on abacus. Now I will show you another abacus showing one number. You have to tell me the number. Okay? You have to tell me the number. Now listen here. I will call out the name and they will give me the answer. Okay, that's better, no? Now I'm.
Ma'am, Russian is not clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Russian not get an idea.
Okay. Rashid, listen here. Okay. Here today we are discussing abacus. What is this abacus? Abacus means it's a tool we use for calculating calculating. Okay. And here we can see beads. Here we can see beads. You can see beads here, no? Yes. Then these beads slide on the rods. Slide on the rods means we can move these beads. Okay. And these rods we call it as spikes. Did you see spike shoes? Spike shoes. Huh? So here these rods we call it as spikes. Okay. And we can use this abacus for showing 2-digit number. We can show 3-digit number also, but here we are discussing 2-digit number. So we can show 2-digit number on an abacus. Now listen here. How many beads are there in 10 space, Rashin? How many beads are there? Here you can see 1, 2. Ah, there are 2. So at the 10 space, there are 2 beads. Okay. That means there are 2 tens. Okay. There are 2 tens. Now look at the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
So there are 5 beads on one space. That means 5 ones. So 2 tens and 5 ones. What's the number, Rashin? 2 tens and 5 ones.
25.
Oh, 25. That's only. Now you understood?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, now I will show you another number. Okay, I will show you another number. Please count the beads and tell me the number. Okay. Now, look at the abacus. Okay, look at the abacus. Now, yes, it's written Sangeeta Sudhishan. What's your name? Rishikesh. No? Rishikesh,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the number. It's written here Sangeeta. That's right. Okay, Rishikesh, tell me the number.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the number. I'm showing an abacus. What's the number? It shows at a 10 space, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 space,
5.
1, 2. What's the
5
number?
tens.
5 tens and 2
Ah,
ones.
very good, Rasa. Rasa, please unmute. You tell me the correct answer. Rishikesh, tell me the answer.
Okay.
There are 5 beads on 10 space. So 5 tens.
5 tens.
Then 2 beads on 1 space. So 2 ones. So what's the number?
5 tens and 2 ones.
5 tens and 2 ones.
What's the number?
5 tens and 2 ones.
5 tens and 2 ones. What's the
52.
number? 52. Very good. It's 52. Okay, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. Now, Asher, unmute and tell me the number. Okay, Asher, unmute and tell me the number. You can say to 10 space 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 space again 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the number, Asher? Very good. It's 44. 4 tens and 4 ones. 4 tens and 4 ones. The number is 44. Very good. Now, Inaya, tell me the number. Okay. Please be quiet, others. Inaya, tell me the number. You can see at a 10 space 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And 1 space, nothing is here. So, how many tens are there?
4.
Very good. 4 tens and 0 ones. What's the number?
4.
Yes, louder.
4.
4 tens and 0 ones. 4 tens. What's the number? 40. 10s and 0 ones. The number is 40. Okay, good. Now, Banu Lakshana, tell me the number. Banu Lakshana, tell me the number. You can see at a 10 space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1 space 1, 2. What's the number?
2
Banu Lakshana, tell me the number.
6 tens, so 2 ones.
At a 10 space, we have 6 beats. So 6 tens. Okay. And 1 space is 2 beats. So what's the number? 6 tens and 2 ones. What's the number?
Right?
What's the number? 6 tens and 2 ones.
Right?
Many are raising the hand. One Lakshana, 6 tens. Okay. 2
tens.
ones. 6 tens and 2 ones. What's the number?
6 tens ഉണ്ട് 2 ones ഉണ്ട് എത്രയാണ് 6 tens 2 ones കൂടിയാൽ
What's the number? 6 tens and 2 ones. What's the number, Manlakshna?
2.
Yes, louder.
62.
62. Very good. See, 6 tens and 2 ones. The number is 62. Now, Diya, Deepak, tell me the answer. What's the number, Diya? See, at tens space, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one space, nothing is here. What's the number? 6 tens and 0 ones. What's the number? 60. It's 60. 6 tens and 0 ones. The number is 60. Now, Emmanuel, tell me the number. Okay. What's the number?
2, 1,
What about the tens? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
So 4 tens and 2 ones.
2 10
Oh, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. 4 tens and 2 ones. What's the number?
42.
42. The number is 42. Okay. Seraphine, tell me the answer. What's the number? Seraphine. Here you can see the 10 space. There are 2 bits. 1 space also 2 bits. So what's the number?
22.
Very good. 2 tens and 2 ones. The number is 22. Goodbye. Is it clear?
22.
Is it clear, abacus?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So will you make one abacus?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to make one abacus and you have to show one number. You can show any one number, any one 2-digit number. Better you do one thing. You ask the age of elder members in the family. Elder members' age in the family. Elder member will be there in the family. You ask his or her age, and that number you make as on abacus.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So you do it on next Monday. For next Monday.
Yes.
So let's write in the notebook. Let's write in the notebook. This abacus.
Yes.
So please take a notebook. Please take a notebook. Let me share the screen. Now let's write. You can take a fresh page. At the top, you can write ABACUS. Abacus. Counting. COUNTING. ABACUS. COUNTING.
Finish.
Now let's write AN and and abacus ABACUS. ABACUS. An abacus. IS is a device. 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 THAT. 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 Has. 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 An abacus is a device that has what? What you can see? What you can see on the abacus?
On it. Beads on
Oh,
it.
beads. Very good. Beads. 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 Which? WHICH. Which? WHICH. Which? Slide. 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 Slide means move smoothly. Slide. 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 On. Slide on what? Slide on rods. 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 A rod means a thin straight bar made up of maybe metal or wood. Rods. 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 THESE. 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 These
Completed.
rods. These rods. ARER. These rods are CALLED. Called. These rods are called. What we call these rods? What we call these rods?
Spike.
Spikes. Very good. Spikes. 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 An abacus is a device that has beads which slide on rods. These rods are called spikes. So we can call it a spike abacus. That's also another name for it. Spikes. Spikes. Devana, please read. Devana, please read this.
And
Ah,
is
ah,
a
ah. Device.
device
Ah,
that
ah,
has
ah.
its
Beads
bead with on
ah, rods.
rod.
These rods
Rod
are called
all
what we call spikes. Now let's do one problem. Okay. Now in the same page itself, we can write the question. GRAW. GRAW. Draw beads. 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 Draw beads. Draw beads. On. Draw beads on.
Welcome, teacher.
Okay. Draw beads on the abacus. Draw beads on the abacus. To show GRAW, draw beads, BEADS, beads on the THE, abacus, ABACUS, abacus. To show, SHOW, to show. To show, THE, the, to show the given, GIVEN, given. Draw beads on the abacus to show the given, GIVEN. GIVEN, given numbers, NUMBERS. Draw beads on the abacus to show the given numbers.
Given.
GIVEN, given numbers, NUMBERS, numbers. Now we have the first one, A, and the number is 2525. So this number we have to show on the abacus. The number 25 we have to show on the abacus. Now, just 1 minute. I am going to stop sharing. Listen here. I will share it. Just 1 minute. Okay. Now, listen here. So, we have to show the number 25 on the abacus. So, you have to tell me how many beads I should put on the tens place and ones place. Okay. 25. 25 means 2 tens and 5 ones. Okay. 2 tens and 5 ones. So, how many beads I should put on tens place?
2.
2, very good. So I'm putting 2 beads on the tens place. Now what about the ones place? How many beads?
5.
5, very good.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the number is 2 tens and 5 ones, 25. Okay. Now let's draw this. Let me share the screen once again. Now we can write the answer.
25.
Yes. Now before that, let's write 25. Okay, is equal to, just we can mark the places. And 25 is a two-digit number, just that marks T and here O. That means 2 tens and 2 tens and complete it. 2 tens and 5 ones. Very good. 2 tens and 5 ones. Now, how we will draw the abacus? How we will draw the abacus?
2, 10,
How we will draw the abacus? So for that, first of all, leave some space and draw one rectangle. Okay? All of you, please listen here. How we will draw it? Listen here. We will draw one rectangle. Now we will divide this rectangle into 2. Okay? Then we will draw rods. Now we can mark the tens and one spaces on the abacus. So here at the left side we can see 10 space, right side we can see 1 space. Now 25 means 2 tens. So we have to draw how many beads at 10 space? At the 10 space we have to draw how many beads?
2.
2 tens. So we have to draw 2. Now 5 ones. So at 1 space we have to draw
How many?
how many? How many beads we have to draw to 1 space? 5. Okay, we have to draw 5 beads on 1 space. Now all of you please draw. Abhimanyu was present, Abel, Sony, Amy, Akshad, Alan, Alfie, Asher, Banu Lakshana, Chelsea, Sando, Dean, Devna, Dev Haran, Dia, Deepak, Elhana, Hannah, Rishikesh, Emmanuel, Inaya, Jixabi, Joseph, Joanna Maria, Karthik, Kevin, Elena, Nailia, Nithik, Rashid.
They were completed.
Okay, good.
Sir, completed.
Okay, good.
Completed.
Completed. Very good. Now let me give you one number. Will you do it? Let me give you one number. Will you do it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so I'm giving the number. I will send the notes. Okay, in that the answer will be there. And the number is 78. You can do by words of this number, 78. Mother Krishna. Sai Parsha, Juania, Sando, June, Rishikesh, Joseph, Karthik, Russian, Saran, Seraphim, Vaishnavi, and others. Is there Deva today? Deva?
Yes.
Yes. Then what about Joanna Maria? Joanna Maria is present? Joanna Maria?
Completed.
Okay, good, Joania. Joania, you can do the 78. Okay. Those who completed 25, you can do 78. Mohammed Shamin is here. Mohammed Shamin. Is there Mohammed Shamin?
Absent.
Present. So only the absent Joanna Maria, no? Joanna Maria only absent. All others are present. So since this 78 means 7 tens and 8 1. So we have to draw 7 beads on 10 space and 8 beads on 1 space. Okay. Now I'm going to stop sharing. It's time to wind up the session. So I will send the notes in the group. Okay. So thank you for joining. Bye.
Bye. Bye.